For a long time, MetaMask has been the go-to wallet for accessing the Ethereum network, but can now be used and pointed to the likes of the Binance Smart Chain for accessing decentralized apps and DeFi that support it. Users are getting increasingly frustrated with the sky-high prices that they need to pay when interacting with the Ethereum network, and are now searching for ways to reduce their costs. One way is by avoiding the Ethereum blockchain altogether, by using dApps such as PancakeSwap or BurgerSwap to exchange your assets, yield farm, or vote on proposal using alternative blockchains. One such blockchain is the Binance Smart Chain that was built for cross-chain compatibility with the Binance Chain, the home of the BNB token. The Binance Chain is a blockchain project that was initiated by Binance and launched in April of 2019. It allows anyone to issue, use and exchange digital assets on the blockchain. The Binance Chain was optimized for ultra-fast trading, but to achieve this, they had to make certain trade-offs. One of this was the fact that it wasn't as flexible in terms of programming as other blockchains. However, Binance Smart Chain has changed that, and it's a new blockchain with an environment for developing high-performance decentralized applications. And it was built for cross-chain compatibility with the Binance Chain to ensure that users could get the best of both worlds. And you can use what are known as Peggy coins on the Binance Chain. And these are digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum or XRP that exist on the Binance Chain and pegged to assets on their native chains. And these assets can be used on a number of different chains and used within DeFi. As I said, PancakeSwap is one that you can use in conjunction with the Binance Smart Chain, and it's similar to the likes of Uniswap without all the crazy Ethereum gas fees. And you can check out more information about the Binance Chain or Binance Smart Chain over on the Academy. So how can we start using the Binance Smart Chain in our MetaMask wallet? Well, I'll show you that now. And this is under the assumption that you already have MetaMask installed. If you don't, I have a full tutorial showing you how to set that up in further detail. But I'll run you through this real quick. So I'm going to install this on my Brave browser. So I'm going to head across to metamask.io. Then click on to download in the top right hand side. And MetaMask can be downloaded on the likes of Chrome, Firefox or iOS and Android if you're a mobile user. I'm going to go ahead and install MetaMask for Brave. Then add to Brave. And confirm I want to add the extension. So once you've added MetaMask to your browser, you can get started. And you'll be prompted to either import a wallet or create a new one. I'm going to create a new one. Then you can agree or decline to them gathering usage data. You'll need to enter a password. You're then prompted to write down your secret backup phrase, which you're going to need to keep somewhere safe, as if someone gains access to these words, they'll then have complete control over your crypto. And this is used to back up and restore your account. Once you've written those down, you'll be prompted to confirm the words and place them in the correct order. And when that's all done, you can see here that you can swap tokens directly within MetaMask. However, we want to connect up the Binance Smart Chain. Now, I don't personally recommend keeping crypto or definitely not large amounts on MetaMask. I simply use mine as a portal to my Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet, which is the safest way to keep your crypto. Now, the first thing you'll see is that we're currently looking at an Ethereum wallet and are connected to the Ethereum mainnet. And this won't work with the Binance Smart Chain dApps. Worse still, you could potentially lose your funds by sending them to addresses that you can't actually use. So we need to point our MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain nodes. If we head across to the circle icon in the top right and head down to Settings. From here, we need to go to Networks on the left-hand side of the screen. Then select Add Network at the top. So this is where we can manually add the Binance Smart Chain, as unfortunately it doesn't come with MetaMask. Now, one thing to mention here is that there are actually two networks that we can add. And this is either the mainnet or the testnet. The mainnet is the one that you're most likely needing to add here, and the testnet is essentially a test environment for the Binance chain, and it's used for app developers or testers to experiment without having to use the main blockchain. So if you're adding the mainnet, you'll need to add the following details, which you can also find over on the Binance Academy. So we'll need to enter in the network name, which is Smart Chain. We'll need to enter in the new RPC URL, the chain ID, which is 56, the symbol, which is BNB, then the Blockchain Explorer URL too. Then once you've completed that, you can then click on to save at the bottom of the screen. And if you need to add the testnet network too, again the information is over on the Binance Academy. Then once you've saved the network, if we head back to the main view by clicking on the X icon, you'll notice two things. First, that the network has automatically been set to the smart chain that we've just added. Also, that the units are no longer showing in ETH, but instead they're showing up as BNB. Now, if the Ethereum logo is showing below your account, don't worry, as we're now connected to the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And I'll just quickly show you now how to receive funds into our MetaMask wallet now using the Binance Smart Chain. So I've got some BNB over on Binance that I'm going to send across to this wallet. We'll need to enter in our MetaMask address into the recipient address here. So let's head back to our MetaMask wallet and copy that to our clipboard by hovering over account 1 at the top of the screen here and then clicking. You then have two options, which is which network you'd like to use, and you'll need to select the Smart Chain. If you use the Binance chain instead, you'll see here that you are receiving a warning stating that the address does not match the network. And this is because we've added the Binance Smart Chain, so we're going to need to select that instead. And as it states, you'll need to confirm the platform or the application that you're withdrawing to supports the Binance Smart Chain network, which it does. You'll also need to confirm that you understand that you will lose your assets should you send these incorrectly. Then finally, confirm that you're familiar with the Smart Chain by answering a question. I'm going to withdraw 0.01 BNB here, and just be aware that you'll need to pay your fees in BNB. And if I submit my withdrawal, and if I head back to MetaMask, you can see that my BNB are now showing, and that literally just took a couple of minutes to transfer. So now that I have my funds in my wallet, I can use that balance to use DeFi applications such as PancakeSwap to swap my assets with lower fees than using the likes of the Ethereum network. And I've got a full tutorial available for PancakeSwap if you're interested in finding out more.